Good morning, dear children. Today let's learn subtraction with regrouping. So regrouping, don't be confused. This is the word you would have learned, borrowing. Borrowing. If you want money, you don't have money, but you are borrowing from somebody. That is the way. If in one digit, if you don't have enough of number to subtract, then we borrow from the next place, from the next digit. That is called borrowing. In another word, we say regrouping. So now let's learn. First, let's understand what is regrouping. So now suppose if there is, let me write in expanded form one number and explain to you. Now here there is 7 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. So now here these hundreds, from here 1 we are going to give and regroup. 100 from here, 1 we are going to take from this group and we are going to group that one into this group. Hundreds is one group, tens is one group. So from 100 group we take one number and we are joining that one to the tens group. Okay, so from here we are taking 100. We are taking 100, then that we are giving to the tens. Okay, 100 is how many tens? 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So how many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 tens are there. So 10 tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. Since we are taking 100 to tens place, we have to convert this 100 into tens. We cannot take directly 100. So we have converted now 100 as 10 tens. So this 10 tens we will add with, already there are 4 tens. So this 10 tens we will add with this 4 tens. Okay, so 10 plus 4, 14. So now we got it, 14 tens. Okay, this is the way. Just we are giving 1. So in another way, this is the explanation. The other way, 1 we are borrowing, that 1 just you write on the left side of 4. So 14. That way also you can remember. This is a shortcut, but this is the direct explanation. Now the same way, now 110 if you borrow here, 110 you are grouping with ones. If you group with ones, 110. So you are grouping with ones. So you have to convert this tens into ones. So in 10 how many ones are there? 10 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones. Okay, 110 equal to 10 ones. So 10 ones if you carry here 10 ones plus already here 3 ones, so it will be now 13 ones. So now we will, after regrouping, let's write now. So 1 if we give, now ones we are not calculating, only what we have transferred 100 to tens. Okay, so 1 if you give, how many will remain? 100 you have given already. So there will be 600s now. And after getting 100 here, that is 10 tens, it becomes 14 tens. Plus this one I am not calculating, so this one 3 ones. Okay, this is the way you have to write. Let me give one more example. Okay, now from thousands group we will group 1000 to the hundreds group. Okay, so from here we are taking 1000 out. So that 1000 is we are taking to the hundreds group. So you have to convert this 1000 into 100. So in 1000 how many hundreds are there? Let's count. It all will be the same. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. So in 1000 how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 hundreds are there. So we can write 1000 equal to 10 hundreds. So now you would have understood whatever you are converting now, all will become 10 only. It will not become less than or more than. So all will be 10. If you take 1000 to hundreds, it will be 10 hundreds. If you take 100 to tens, it will be 10 tens. If you take 1 tens to ones, it will be 10 ones. Okay, so it will be 10 only. So this 10 hundreds you are now grouping with the hundreds. So here already 8 is there. So with 8 this 10 we are pressing. So 8 plus 10 it will be 18. So now we get it 18 hundreds. So now let's write now after convert. Now 1 if you give, how many remains here? 5. So 1000 is given. So now remaining is 5000s. And after getting 1000 here, that is 10 hundreds, it becomes 18 hundreds. Okay, now using this, now let's do the subtraction sum. Okay, now let's do this borrowing sum. 7 plus 7, now subtract 6. 7 minus 6. So this is big number, this is small number, so it is easy, ordinary minus. So 7 minus 6, 1. Now if you see 5 minus 9, 5 is big, smaller, 9 is bigger, so you cannot minus, so you have to borrow. So this is tens place, so you have to borrow from the hundreds place. You cannot borrow from the right side. You have to borrow always from the left side. So here there are 4 hundreds. So from 4 hundreds, if you give 1, 3 hundreds will remain. So 100 comes to 5, so it will be 15. That one what you have borrowed you are writing here, so this will be 15. So easy way, just to remember that shortcut. No, we say shortcut, that is one what you have borrowed, that just write in front of this 5, just left side of this 5. 15 minus 9, 6. Now this is 3, this is 7. This is small, this is big, you cannot minus, so I will borrow. So here you have to borrow from the left side. So here 9 from 1000 only you have to borrow, here 9000. So 1 if you give, 8 will remain here, so that borrowed one right here. Now 13 minus 7, this 6. Now this is big, this is small, so you can minus normal subtraction. 8 minus 3, 5. So the answer is 5661. So this is the way you do and complete the exercise. Thank you.